What you should expect once you start taking magnesium. Magnesium is the most important mineral that our body really needs to function properly. So when you are deficient of this magnesium, many things in your body will go wrong. Then once you start taking magnesium, what you should expect: number one, if you have been having insomnia, the insomnia will start going away. You will find yourself that you can now sleep very well at night. This magnesium will help you to relax your nerves, help you to relax your muscles and everything, and it will help you to sleep very well in the night. Not just that, once you are taking magnesium, you will see that anxiety will start going away. Gradually, your life will start falling into place. If you normally have tuition, you will see that the tuition will start going away. If you are vitamin D deficient, you will start seeing that, because magnesium will help to activate the vitamin D in your body. That is why it's been advised to take magnesium with vitamin D3. If you have been having migraine, constant headache, you will see that the headache, the tension, the pains, all will start disappearing. All these things will start going away. If you normally have irregular heartbeat, maybe your heart rate is always high, or you're having heart palpitation, once you start taking magnesium, you see that the palpitation and the irregular heartbeats or the fast heart rate will start falling into place, and your heart will start beating normally and properly. If you're having high blood pressure, and maybe the cause of that high blood pressure is because you are deficient in magnesium, you will see that your blood pressure will start falling into place. Then, if you're always having cramps, muscle pulls, muscle pain of any kind, and you start taking magnesium, after some time, you will see that those muscle pains, all those things will start going. If you are having indigestion, yes, magnesium play a crucial role when it comes to digestion. You will see that your digestive system will start working very well. If you're always confused, maybe sometimes you feel lost, you feel confused, as if your brain is not really working the way it should be. Once you start taking magnesium, you will see that that brain fog and all those things will start disappearing, and your life will start falling into place. If you normally have bone pain, maybe you feel that your bone is soft inside, or you are walking as if somebody is pushing you, you will see that all those things will start going. If you lack energy, maybe you are this type that always have fatigue, and you start taking magnesium, you will see how energy, strength will start coming. That is the power of magnesium. If you normally have burning feet and all sorts, you will start seeing that all the joint pains, burning feet, and all these things will start going, and you will see your health and your life in your eyes start falling back into place. You will start seeing your old self returning back to you. Then how are you going to take this magnesium to make it work properly? You have to take magnesium with vitamin D3. And remember, if you are taking vitamin D3, you also need vitamin K2 and zinc to make all this, to make vitamin D3 work properly. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you are taking magnesium for this particular purpose, please, you will take magnesium. And the magnesium I am advising you to take, because this is a type of magnesium that we can absorb properly. So the best magnesium from all that we serve for these purposes I just mentioned here now should be magnesium glycinate. And you have to start taking it with vitamin D3, vitamin B1, vitamin K2, and zinc. And once you are taking all these vitamins, you will see how everything in your body will start working. But remember, you must not take the supplements. You can get all these things also from your diet. What are the foods that are rich in magnesium? There are many foods that are rich in magnesium. If we can get it, so that we can get the exact quantity that your body requires, especially when you have been deficient in magnesium. That is why sometimes it seems as if you'll be advised to take the supplement, because that is where you can get the exact dose of magnesium that you really need, because it will be somehow difficult to get all this quantity of magnesium in your diet in a day. So, but food that are rich in magnesium are liver, seafood, something like crabs. You can take all those ones. You can take sunflower seeds. You can take almond nuts. You can take dark chocolates. You can take avocados. You can take all these dark leafy green vegetables. They have a lot of magnesium in them. But if you find it very difficult to get all these things I just mentioned now, it is better you take the supplement. It's not that you will not take the supplements forever, but you will take the supplements because of you are already deficient in this particular mineral. So, and that have make your cells, your organs, your brain, every part of your body not to function properly. So that is why it is being advised to take the supplements for some period of time. Then when you now have a lot of magnesium in your body, you can now start taking all these ones, because you need magnesium in our day-to-day lives. Because what makes us to be deficient in magnesium is that we don't really eat foods that are rich in magnesium. And again, not just that, stress can deplete our magnesium. Our diets, if we are always taking refined carbohydrates or carbs, the food that normally cause stress in our body, emotional stress, if our cortisol level is always high, all these things, all these factors will deplete our magnesium, will deplete magnesium from our body. That is the reason why you and I are always deficient in magnesium. Please, if you are taking any magnesium supplements to correct these factors, after correcting the factors, make sure that you are eating foods that are rich in magnesium, because you need magnesium for your body, for your heart, for your health, for your brain, for your nerves, your muscles, your bones to function well. Thank you very much. This is just an advice that I am giving to us all, because I have had a lot of experience about this mineral called magnesium, and I know how I got myself from it. So that is why I am bringing it here for us also to learn. It's just an educational teaching for us to learn that some certain things that are wrong with us is just magnesium deficiency.